Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to edit images on Gimp. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Gimp software. So the first thing that you need to do guys is in order to add an image, go to the up to the left corner and click on file. Once you click on file, go ahead and click on open, or you can also click on Ctrl+O on your keyboard. So once you click on open, you need to choose an image from your PC. So for example, I'm going to choose this one. So once you choose the image, go ahead and click on open and then wait for it to load. And after that, you need to choose some options right here. So I'm gonna click on keep, and then as you can see guys, the photo is added to Gimp. So right now, as you can see guys here in the left side of the screen, you're gonna have all of the tools that you will need in order to edit your image. So you have the move tool, the rectangle select tool, foreground select tool, fuzzy select tool, crop tool if you want to crop the image, unify transform tool, you have the warp transform tool, bucket fill, eraser tool, paintbrush tool. You can clone your image, smudge tool, path. You can add a text, add a color picker, and lastly, the zoom tool. And as you can see, guys, here in the right side, you're gonna find all of the layers right here. You can hide them or you can show them. And right here, you're gonna have some filters or some overlays that you can use on your image. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.